Welcome to Ace Achievers. I am Dr. Neeraj Wadhawan. Today I've got a big news for you. There is something in the market. This is also kind of right now not a confirmed news, but in some of the news agencies, as you must already be knowing, NEET MDS date has possibly been fixed at 18th March 2024. Although the official confirmation is yet to come, but yes, some of the news agencies, as you can see in this picture behind me, what they say is that 18th March is the date for the NEET MDS exam this year. So some of the students right now have been a little, their preparation has suffered because of the indecisiveness of NB on the NEET date. But as I have always been saying, do not let your guard down and keep on preparing, because you never know when the NEET exam is going to come. Maybe it is March 18, maybe it goes to May. Whatever, if you stop preparing right now and the exam is not as postponed as far as you are thinking, you will be left in the soup. So keep updated with the latest, keep following our channel. We'll get you the latest news possible, and as soon as the confirmation comes officially for this exam, we'll put as to how to study and how you should utilize your time. So take care, goodbye.